And this is one of the most remote state parks. It was about 30 miles down a dirt road to get here. Lots of loop-de-doos, fun in the Jeep. There are 2 other campers so far that we've seen, but pretty much we have the place to ourselves today. Look at this rugged wilderness all around us here, just beautiful. Here at Beaver Dam State Park, what a view. Huge canyon behind me here. Very cool.
If you're looking to get away from everything, I think this is your place.
All right, so we are shooting this scene from inside Caboose. I don't think we've ever done any video inside. So this is what our little world looks like after being on the road for a week. It's cozy, but we all fit. And we just got back from a day of adventuring. We checked out Beaver Dam State Park. And what an adventure it was. It was so cool. We took the Jeep for a Jeep ride for the first time. Right, Vada? Yeah. That would be the tinkle of the ice machine because we're glamping. We have power and hookups, so. And it's 5 o'clock. So anyway, Beaver Dam State Park. The drive is a 30-mile drive down a dirt road, and it was pretty adventurous. I would say there's a lot of ups and downs and hairpin turns, and hoping that you don't meet someone coming the other direction quickly. A lot of blind turns, but wow, when we got out there, it was amazing. We saw wild horses on the way too. Yeah, we saw them on the way back down. So anyways, I thought this was interesting, that this place is one of the first, I think it is the first state park from the 30s, early in the 30s. And it doesn't have a dam there anymore. It used to, but it's been restored to the natural pre-dam habitat, and lots of evidence of wildlife for sure. Yeah, tracks everywhere down by the creek. There's a waterfall hike that we did not take, but it looked like it would have been really beautiful down by the creek. We had a campsite to ourselves for the afternoon that we just kind of borrowed. We paid for the day, and surprisingly there were a couple of other campers up there, but it is out there. It is so far out there that the Jeep really got to do her thing today. Yeah, that was cool.